Welcome to the next journey of World Decoder. Volcanoes are not just machines of destruction, but architects shaping our Earth's surface. We are decoding the world of volcanoes, from staggering records to the secrets buried deep within the burning ground below. These geological giants are often seen as gateways to hell, representing the fiery anger and intense vitality of our planet. While high mountains symbolize silence and peace, volcanoes symbolize raw power, constantly reminding us that the Earth is alive underneath. Let us classify the personalities of these giants. Scientists divide them into three main states: active, dormant, and totally extinct. First, the active volcanoes. These are currently erupting or showing clear signs that they are about to explode very soon. A perfect example is Mount Etna in Italy, a restless giant that frequently reminds the world of its immense power. Next are the dormant volcanoes. These have stopped erupting for a long time, but still have the ability to wake up. Mount Fuji in Japan is a classic example. It looks peaceful now, but it could surprisingly awaken at any moment. Finally, we have extinct volcanoes. These have completely died out and no longer have a source of magma to erupt. Ben Nevis in the UK is one such example. It has slept forever, leaving only the cold rock of history behind. Now let us meet the record holders of the volcanic world. These giants push the boundaries of size and danger. The title for the largest planet volcano goes to Mauna Loa in Hawaii. Its scale is absolutely mind-blowing to behold. If measured from its base, deep beneath the ocean floor to its peak, it is actually taller than Mount Everest. Next is the most persistent worker, Kilauea in Hawaii. This volcano has been erupting almost continuously since the year 1983. It works tirelessly day and night, constantly reshaping the island and proving that the Earth is always in motion. But not all giants are creators. Meet Vesuvius in Italy, the most dangerous volcano that once wiped out legendary Pompeii. History remembers the tragedy of Pompeii. Today, millions of people still live right at the foot of this ticking bomb. It creates a massive time bomb scenario where modern civilization exists in the shadow of a potential historical catastrophe. Then there's the supervolcano Yellowstone in the USA, a sleeping monster with power beyond our wildest imagination. If this monster wakes up, its power could change the global climate forever and push humanity back into the Stone Age. The ash cloud would block the sun, causing a volcanic winter that would devastate agriculture and life across the planet. But why do these fiery mountains exist? The answer lies in the dynamic movement of the tectonic plates beneath us. Volcanoes primarily appear where tectonic plates meet. They are the leakage points for the intense heat inside the Earth. About 75% of the world's volcanoes are located along the famous Ring of Fire surrounding the Pacific Ocean. The mechanism is simple yet violent. When one plate is pushed under another, the rock melts into scorching hot magma. Extreme pressure forces magma to find an escape route to the surface, creating earth-shattering explosions that reshape the landscape instantly. These explosions are not just random events. They are the Earth releasing its internal pressure to maintain a planetary balance. While terrifying, this process is also a creative force. It builds islands and expands continents over millions of years. Despite being known as destroyers, volcanoes give humans priceless gifts. Let us look at the unexpected benefits they provide. Volcanic ash is extremely rich in minerals. This makes the soil around volcanoes incredibly fertile and perfect for heavy agriculture. Places like Indonesia benefit greatly from this. The destruction of the past becomes the foundation for life in the present. Another gift is clean energy. Geothermal power from volcanoes is used to produce electricity without polluting our atmosphere. Iceland is a global leader in this field. They harness the heat from the hell below to power their civilization. Volcanoes also bring up treasure. Precious materials like diamonds and gold are often brought to the surface by ancient eruptions. Without these violent events, many of the precious gems we value today would remain forever unreachable deep underground. So volcanoes are not just enemies. They are providers of resources that have supported human development for thousands of years. Now let us expand our view. Earth is not the only place in the universe that has active volcanoes. Look at Io, a moon of Jupiter. It is the most geologically active object in our entire solar system. Volcanoes on Io erupt continuously due to extreme tidal forces. It is a hellish world of constant fire and sulfur. On Mars, we find the champion of size. Olympus Mons is the largest volcano known in the entire solar system. This ancient giant is 3 times the height of Everest and as wide as the entire country of France. Although it is quiet now, it stands as a monument to a time when Mars was a very active planet. From the depths of our oceans to the surface of distant planets, volcanoes tell the story of planetary evolution. They remind us that we live on a dynamic, breathing sphere where creation and destruction are 2 sides of the same coin. Life always finds a way to flourish, even after the most devastating eruptions. This is the miracle of our natural world. Scientists continue to study these beasts, hoping to predict their moods and protect the millions living in their shadows. With better technology, we hope to understand the warning signs before the next great catastrophe strikes our civilization. Seen from space, a volcanic eruption is just a small puff of smoke, but on the ground, it changes everything. The meeting of fire and water creates new land, expanding our world inch by inch in a spectacular display. Every rock tells a history. Every crystal inside holds the secrets of the conditions deep within the Earth's mantle. We have learned to live with them, adapt to them, and even thrive on the lands they have created. From hot springs to fertile fields, the legacy of volcanoes is woven into the fabric of many human cultures. Each volcano has a unique character. Some are explosive and angry, while others are slow, steady, and predictable. Let us not forget the volcanoes hidden underwater. They are the invisible builders of the ocean floor, unseen by men. In fact, the majority of volcanic activity on Earth happens deep beneath the waves, far from human eyes. Sometimes they break the surface to create new islands, expanding the map of our world in real time. Even their ash can paint the sky. Volcanic sunsets are known for their vivid, surreal colors around the globe. Nature is resilient. What is destroyed today will become the fertile ground for a lush forest in the future. Today, volcanoes are major tourist attractions. People travel thousands of miles to witness their raw and majestic beauty. However, respect is key. Exploring these areas requires caution and awareness of the unpredictable power of nature. Technology helps us get closer than ever before, capturing breathtaking footage that was impossible to get just decades ago. For those who study them, volcanoes are a lifelong passion, a mix of fear, scientific curiosity, and deep admiration. They are the history books of the Earth. Each layer of lava records a chapter of our planet's past. A planet without volcanoes is a dead planet. Their activity is the heartbeat that keeps Earth warm and habitable. Billions of years ago, volcanoes helped create our atmosphere and oceans, laying the foundation for life to begin. We owe our existence partly to these fiery giants. They are the architects of the world we call home. So next time you see a volcano, do not just see danger. See the incredible energy that sustains our planet. From the active threats to the sleeping giants, we have explored the diverse personalities of these geological wonders. We have witnessed the record holders, the massive scales, and the potential disasters that lie in wait. We have also uncovered the surprising gifts they provide, from fertile soil to clean energy and precious stones. The story of volcanoes is the story of Earth itself, a story of constant change, power, and renewal. Let us cherish and respect the forces of nature. They are beautiful, dangerous, and absolutely essential for our survival. Thank you for joining us on this explosive journey into the heart of the world's most fiery mountains. Thank you for watching this explosive journey. Subscribe to World Decoder for more discoveries. See you in the next adventure.